Ang OOA nyo, excuse my hair cause I just got a massage. Nakita nyo ba to? 461. Before the giveaway, this was 37? Tingnan nyo naman, napaka-OA. Good luck sa akin. Pero maraming salamat. I did not know that this many people wanted those giveaways. So I am officially closing it. Any entries after this will not count. So again guys, maraming salamat. I am totally shocked. Pero ayun nga guys, limited yung giveaways ha. As much as I want to give each and every one of you, I cannot. Siguro maximum 5 lang. Gusto ko man siyang damihan, kawawa naman ako kasi nga ipapaship ko pa sa inyo. So, congratulations doon sa mga pipili natin. I will try, guys. I will try na i-announce yung winners by tomorrow. I cannot promise kasi sobrang dami. Hindi ko akalaing lalagpas ng 100 yung entries. Actually, hindi ko nga na-imagine na aabot siya ng 100. I underestimated you and I'm sorry. So, doon sa mga mananalo, congratulations in advance. Doon sa mga hindi mananalo, I promise you there will be a next time. And sana kung hindi kayo manalo ngayon, wag nyo naman ako i-unfollow.